Hello, beautiful people. My name is Kristen. I have a Wantable Active edit, and this is probably going to be the last active edit that I do because I am trying to be more mindful of not overbuying my workout clothes, but I do love them and appreciate them. And Nancy from Nancy Rounds had used my Wantable link, and so I had a credit that got this box sent to me free of charge and $25 credit towards any one thing that I purchase. So you can't go wrong, and it's my birthday month, so I wanted to have an extra box. So I'm looking for that one special piece that I can keep out of this and just share with you and see what it is, and that's fun. And if you haven't checked out Nancy's channel and you like Wantable openings, obviously there'll be one there, so I'll leave her link to her channel below. You can check that out. It does come beautifully wrapped with a little styled for Kristen personalized sticker. It's a pretty small box this time, and there's I think I requested this one. It is an active piece that I probably won't keep, but I just thought it was pretty. So they do have a stream where you can request things, and if they're available they send them along. I'm going to open it real quick and look for the stylus to see if I have the same one, just out of curiosity. Jacelia. I don't remember Jacelia, so I think this is a new stylist for active. She did watch my video. She said, "I loved your video and you're looking for some more loungewear. I've got you covered. I've been wearing some of these all day. Hope you love them too and give you all the comfort that you need when you're running around or kicking back. I vote on kicking back." There you go. So then there's a little list with all the items and pictures and prices for us. So let's get started and dig in. Very exciting. It's like opening presents, right? So these are leggings by MPG, and they are tie-dye with the awesome pocket. They are super thick and stretchy, tie-dye all the way down. It's interesting because the bottom's not really a cuff, but it's not unfinished. It just ends. It's just that nice stretchy material that's not going to fray. So that's interesting. And then here's a top that I requested because I thought it looked like it had really nice support and full coverage. It's kind of that tropical abstract jungle. It's got the racer back. I just thought that looked really supportive, and I don't think it was crazy expensive. It is an MPG Sport brand as well. So the leggings and the top, although I'm not sure with the blues and the greens if they actually go together. And then here looks like a tank. Nola Tank in classic navy. So just a heathered navy muscle tank. Looks nice. Definitely could pull all that together. So I'll try it all on together. And then here's some joggers. I am looking for some black joggers. I have two pairs of black joggers. One that I got at TJ Maxx and one that I got at Walmart. And the truth is, they're falling apart. I've had them less than a year each, and they just bag out at the knees. You get what you pay for sometimes. So I wouldn't mind investing a little bit more in some quality black joggers. So these are, I think these are Marc NY Performance. So they have the drawstring, they have pockets on the side, no pockets on the back, just straight leg with a cuff at the bottom, and I really like that. And they feel really nice. A little performance wicking, and $59. So not crazy. You know, there's some $100 joggers out there, so those could be the definite possibility. Ooh, this feels very soft. This says interval. Beautiful red heathered, kind of maroon actually. It's not bright red, it's burgundy. Just a long sleeve. It's tunic length. Tunic length, so this would be just super loungy and cute and awesome. Yeah, Interval Maroon Heather. Love it. And then, oh, here's a hoodie. Here's the hood. It's like the mineral wash. I actually do have a sweatshirt that is this kind of Burnout navy sweatshirt. It doesn't have a hood. But it's definitely my style. Totally my style. Did I request this? It's so funny when I like request things I like and then I realize, oh, I already own stuff. No, I didn't request this. Day Off Burnout French Terry hoodie in dark navy. And then, oh, this is sweet. Here's another interval. It's a t-shirt. Oh, it's a muscle tank. It's got the really big opening on the side, so you can definitely see the sports bra. And it just says love more. What a great message right now. I really like that. It's probably really expensive. That was probably one of those t-shirts. That's $44. So expensive, but not as crazy as some of them, right? So lots of goodness to try on. Let's see what we think. So thanks for hanging out for the try on part. If you like these kind of videos, like and subscribe. Love to have you hang around. This is the Nola Tank in Classic Navy by TASC. It is $38. It is the performance cotton wear and it is tunic length. Definitely covers the bum really well. Got like a lot of coverage in the back. Really, you could wear this as a regular tank. It doesn't come down too far or really even show your bra. And a lot of times the tanks are not this high on your neck and, you know, I have problems showing too much cleavage in the gym. So this is actually pretty nice. The pants are super, these are some of the most compression, besides Spanx, these are the most compression leggings I've ever had on. It's MPG Sport Score high-waisted leggings in abstract lavender, although they totally look navy to me. I mean, I don't know that there's any purple, but it's totally cutting into me, totally sucking in. I mean, they probably make me definitely look thinner than I am right now, which is great, but they got fantastic pockets, nice length, a little too long for me, but you can bunch up these leggings no problem. Let me show you the top. This is the MPG Sport Crave crop top in forest blur. So you can kind of see the jungly print. You can kind of see how this is super tight and these are super tight and it leaves like the circle there, but it's nice and supportive. So I like all the back support coverage. This is exactly what I would want in a sports bra. These are just too tight, y'all. Too tight. And before we move on, let me show you the Love More tank by Interval. It is $44. It does have a finished rounded crew neck. It has those really long unfinished armholes. Definitely a workout performance tank. I think, yeah, it does scoop up a little on the sides and come down, so I like that. I mean, I would wear this. I think it's cute. I have a lot of other workout tanks right now, so I'm not sure this is a high priority, but if this was the only thing in the box and I applied my credit, it could be a possibility. So let's switch to the lounge outfits. Okay, so this top, when I pulled it out of the box, I just thought it was okay, but putting it on, I love it. It is so like comfy and butter soft on the inside and the outside. It's just one of those really amazing things, and it feels like it's a really tight brush knit so that it might not pill quite so much as some of the brush knits. This is by Interval, the V-neck maroon heather, $48. It does have, I'll come a little closer so you can see the detail. It's got a nice finished V-neck. The sleeve is finished. It's got just a little bit longer on my hand, which I also really, really appreciate. And then the length is completely over the booty. Tunic would be really, really cute for with leggings. And I don't have anything this color. I checked my wardrobe. I've got probably 5, maybe 6 different tunic length. The dog is like heavy breathing. She got excited about this outfit too. Did you get excited about this outfit too, Belle? She's like, what? What'd I do? All right, well, we'll probably edit that out, but hey, I really love this shirt. And the joggers are the Marc NY Performance, and they are $59. I don't think it's a horrible price for joggers. It does have the drawstring. It's hard to see black, I know, but it's got the working drawstring, pockets here. Belle, sweetie, you're in the way. And then the length is long on me, but I think it's okay bunched up as joggers. So you will have to give me your input. I think they are fitted without being obnoxiously tight across the boot. Oh, sure. Now, how about you go out? Belle's helping. All right. I like the way they fit across here. And honestly, I am expecting my Wantable style, which I also requested black joggers. So I'm going to wait for that one to arrive in 2 more days. And if I'm going to keep like 5 from that box, or those are a little bit better, we'll compare. But if I'm not keeping some from that, I think I'm totally keeping these. Let me show you. I don't know if this will show up either. I'm trying to show my side. I'll show when I do the wrap up. Alternative Apparel Day Off Burnout French Terry hoodie in dark navy, $58. And I love hoodies. I am a hoodie girl. I wear hoodies a lot. And I love the length of the sleeves and the cuff. I love the navy burnout. Love, of course, the hoodie drawstring. It is unfinished raw hem, straight all the way across. Would be super cute with these black joggers and just have this as an outfit. Let me grab, I just pulled out of my closet. This one is one that I own. I think I bought this like from clearance from Nordstrom. Get closer so you can see it. It's a little Rip Curl the Search, and it has since 1969, which is the year I was born. So it's special. I've already worn this. It hasn't been cold that long, and I know I've worn this at least twice already. And it's oversized. I bought a large, and I just love it. But it's pretty similar in feel to this one. And I do have other hoodies. But I'm just saying, I love this too. You know, if we were going for a 5 for, if you get 5 out of the 7, you get an extra 20% off. So, you know, if we were close, this could be a free keeper. Let's talk about it. So really great box, y'all. I mean, the only thing that was really kind of no because it was uncomfortable was the leggings, but these are gorgeous. And really, if I needed the leggings, I may consider sizing up, but you know I don't. So, and the 2 tank tops, the navy solid one that was high neck and tunic length, and then the Love More, these were great. I really, again, if I needed workout clothes, it would be easy to put those together and make a little package. The sports bra, it's hard to find really great coverage, really supportive, and this one's beautiful, of course. So this one, you know, would be a consideration, and maybe it still is a little bit if the stars align the right way. The navy hoodie, I love. It's totally fits me, flatters me. I like it. I feel like the other one sweatshirt that I own is similar. So really, I'm thinking I'm keeping these joggers. I did want to share the detail on the side with y'all in case you wanted to request these. It has, there you can see. See, that's a side stripe. So it actually has this really subtle stitched side stripe that is just super unique. So I love these. So unless the Wantable style box has equal or better, black joggers, I'm keeping these. If it does have equal or better black joggers, then I'm thinking this is the keeper. I just really, really love this. And it's my birthday month. I might keep both things. So let me know. Let me know if you like this shirt, if you thought it was just too plain, or something that I could pick up somewhere else. But it's super, super soft and just feels like a really, really high-end quality. That's the one thing about active wear, right? I feel like it will hold up a little bit better in the wash. I kind of like they're a little bit oversized in length or whatever. I can just throw them in the dryer and not worry about it. So stay tuned. I'm pretty positive that you've already seen the Wantable style. I will post that one first because I'll probably need the most feedback help on that, and then I will post this one and do a follow-up. So I will leave in the description what I end up keeping. How about that? But let me know in the comments what you think, because I always care and I always make my judgments and input on at least future boxes, if not that current one. So y'all have a super awesome day. Take care. I will see you again real soon.